Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm recreating Nayanthara's makeup look and hairstyle, which is perfect for a cute everyday or college look for dry skin girls. It's super easy to create and let's get started. Before that, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. First, I'm using a Pond's Derma Moisturizer to hydrate my skin. A great hydrated skin is important to create a very healthy glow beneath the skin for a natural makeup look. Then I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Foundation and mixing it with my beauty oil. You can mix with any beauty oil that you have. This will give a super natural finish and a medium coverage to give that my skin but better kind of a look. For concealer, I'm using a Maybelline Fit Me for a little extra coverage under my eyes. I'm just applying tiny bits on my inner corner and my outer corner of my eyes and blending them. This will cover up the little dark circles and brighten up the under eye for a more refreshing look. To set them, I'm using a Maybelline Fit Me powder. I'm just dipping my brush into the powder and tapping off the excess and slightly dusting under my eyes and on the areas where I tend to crease. Since this tutorial is for dry skin girls, please do not overdo your powder because this can make your skin look drier or you won't be achieving that glowy look as Nayanthara. For highlighter, I'm using a Focalier stick highlighter in silver and applying high points of my cheeks with my fingers. This is a cream-based highlighter, so it's great for dry skin girls to give a natural glow without looking powdery or emphasizing your fine lines. For a final touch, I'm going to use my beauty blender and blend the highlighter to take off the excess and also to give a more natural look. And I'm just going to dab throughout my face for a full face natural glow with whatever left in the beauty blender. For brows, I'm using Star Genius brow pencil and creating a very natural brow. I'm just filling up my spots area in the brow just to give a filled brow effect and not a super shaped brow for a natural looking makeup look. For my eyes, I'm using L'Oreal False Lash Superstar Mascara. I have a whole video on mascara hacks going from this to this. So make sure you check that out. It will be in the description box and also at the end of the video. For the lips, she just had a clear lip gloss, so I'm also using a clear gloss, but just because some lip color is in the wand, but you can totally opt for any color lip gloss, but lip gloss will make this look even more glowy, so make sure you choose a lip gloss over a lipstick if you wanted to recreate the same look. And done with the face, we are moving to this super easy puffy hairstyle. She had a red hairband, but I'm going to use my black hairband. First, comb all your hair backwards. Then I'm taking my hairband, pressing on my hair and bringing them back to a few centimeters more than the area I want my hairband to be. Then by pressing it, I'm going to move the hairband forward. As you can see, this would automatically give some puffiness to the front hair. For the back puff, I'm going to take the back hair and do some back combing. Just take your hair comb and comb them in opposite direction. This would create a tangled effect on your hair, but that's going to give you the long-lasting puffiness. Then take the top layer of your hair and cover it over the tangled area and comb over it to look nice and smooth. As you can see, this automatically elevates the look. You can totally leave it as this, but I'm going to curl my hair as what Nayanthara had. She had a large big curls going on, so I'm going to do the same thing. So I'm taking the largest curling wand that I have to give a big large curls as similar to hers. So when you're curling your hair, make sure you're curling your hair outwards and not inwards, as curling your hair outwards can make your hair look much more thicker and fuller. To make this whole hairstyle long lasting, I'm going to spray my hair to maintain the puffiness. And that's it, the super cute everyday hairstyle and makeup look inspired from the ever gorgeous Nayanthara. I'll be making more inspired look videos, so please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.